In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best dental aluminum oxide micro blasters available on the market. We researched web and read lots of real user review before creating the Dental Aluminum Oxide Micro blasters list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the Dental Aluminum Oxide Micro blasters mentioned, be sure to check the description. Subscribe our channel. And press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5, XND Dental Aluminum Oxide Micro Blaster. The XND Dental Micro Blaster offers a 2-in-1 solution for roughening and whitening teeth. Equipped with water spray and alumina sandblasting, this device ensures superior cleaning while enhancing teeth bonding. Compact and powerful, it helps achieve optimal results with minimal discomfort to patients. Number 4, Dental Aluminum Oxide Micro Blaster with Air Polisher. This dental tool features an air polisher paired with aluminum oxide micro blasting technology. The water spray system ensures effective stain removal and teeth roughening for bonding and whitening procedures. Its ergonomic design enhances maneuverability, making it a trusted choice for dentists in routine and advanced cleaning tasks. Number 3, Dental Aluminum Oxide Micro Blaster System. This system integrates both water spraying and alumina sandblasting for thorough dental cleaning. The dental instrument is ideal for roughening teeth surfaces before restorations and enhancing bonding strength. It's designed to be easy to operate, offering a precise and controlled sandblasting experience for improved treatment outcomes. Number 2, EXP Dental Aluminum Oxide Micro Blaster. The EXP Dental Micro Blaster combines water spray with alumina sandblasting to effectively polish and roughen teeth. This air polisher is designed for efficient microetching in dentistry, ensuring better bonding results. Lightweight and ergonomic, it offers easy handling, making it a reliable tool for professional teeth cleaning and whitening. Number 1, Dental Alumina Air Abrasion Polisher. This dental air abrasion polisher uses aluminum oxide to provide high-precision micro-blasting for effective cleaning and roughening of teeth surfaces. It operates with a microetcher system, ideal for preparing teeth for bonding or restorations. Compact and efficient, the device ensures thorough sandblasting, helping in whitening procedures and removing stains with minimal discomfort.